Moving and handling is important to many of the activities in a care home. You may have had a large amount of moving and handling training in the past, or this may be new to you. Either way, there should be some things you already understand before you engage with this practical moving and handling training. Before this training session, you should already have developed an understanding of the theory of safe handling and know about the system of assessments that is in place in your organization. When you are moving people, you will also need to use the principles of care that you should know from other areas of your training, maintaining residents' privacy, dignity, and independence. You will continue to develop your skills long after this training session has been completed by practicing the techniques you have learnt, and you will keep your skills fresh with regular refresher training. As you will remember from the training on moving and handling theory, you should avoid hazardous manual handling wherever possible. When you have to use manual handling, there are a number of principles that are used to guide you. The principles of safe moving are: plan ahead. Read the manual handling assessment first. Keep your hands close to your trunk. Work from a steady base. Use a good hand grip. Lead with your head. Make the task smooth and flowing. Let's see what it looks like when someone is not following these principles. She is not close. She is standing on one foot and is unbalanced. She is only picking up light items, but they are not stable. Perhaps she should lift less at a time. Notice her hunched shoulders. The action starts by her locking her knee and leaning forward, so she doesn't lead with her head, and you can see that the task is not smooth or flowing, just fast. In this situation, however, you can see that she has planned the task a little more carefully, so she is much closer. She is starting with her feet balanced and an appropriate distance apart. The handhold is fine and her shoulders are more relaxed. As she picks up the books, the action starts from the head. She hasn't needed to lock her knees or perform the task quickly in order to get it done. Each object that you need to move will be a little different to the last, but if you apply these principles of safe moving, you will be able to decide how to lift each new item safely.